are here for all of us. That's why we are here. Why we are here. We are here. Bones of a banghead, trying to get something we never had. Let's talk about who dared. So real, but it's so sad. So how we gonna save the nation? We won't pay for this innocence. Cause right now it don't make sense. Right now it don't make sense. Let's talk about Shaitan. Let's talk about Gaza. Let's talk about Israel. Right now it is real. Let's talk Nigeria. In the mind side hysteria. Yeah, our souls are brought together so that we could love each other, brother. We are here. We are here for all of us. We are here for all of us. That's why we are here. Why we are here. We are here. No guns made in Harlem. But yeah, crime is a problem. You wanna shine, you wanna rob them. Single mother, where they come from. So how we gonna save the nation? We look up for education. Cause right now it don't make sense. Right now it don't make sense. Let's talk about our part. My heart touch your heart. Let's talk about living. Had enough of dying, not what we all about. Let's do more giving, do more forgiving. Yeah, our souls are brought together so that we could love each other, sister. We are here. We are here for all of us. We are here for all of us. That's why we are here. Why we are here. We are here. We are here for all of us. We are here for all of
Shalom, shalom. So we are heading to the mountainside today, my favorite place on earth, and we're gonna take you with us. So I need to get dressed, and the children are downstairs, or at least 4/5 of them. The baby, she's asleep. It's a rainy day. But we're still going to enjoy our trip to the mountainside. We'll be up there for 3 days. I'm super excited. I've been wanting to go up there for so long. I haven't been up since like March, and so excited that she gets to go up there this early in her life because she's going to love it. It's amazing. We're going to do some hiking, get that good spiced tea they have. They have like, I think they have like 5 different hikes we can do. And of course, when we go up there, it's just a complete vibe. Every time we take the family up there, we blast music on the way up and just set the tone for an incredible Feast of Tabernacles. And yeah, we're gonna take you on the journey. It's gonna be fun. So I'm gonna go get dressed, and then I'm gonna pop back in here so you'll see if my husband is back yet. So I'm all dressed, baby girl's all dressed, the children are all dressed. Everybody is ready to go to the mountain. They're over there getting their jackets on because it's definitely going to be cold up there. If it's raining down here, you for sure know it's going to be cold up there. So, you look good in your yellow jacket.
Hi.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
What are you doing today?
I'm playing with my favorite sibling.
Where are you going today?
We're going to the mountains.
You're going to the mountain? Hiking. I'm so excited to be up there again and to see the people that we know up there and to eat delicious food And yeah, it's going to be great. So I'm gonna see you on the road, because next time you see me, we're gonna be on the road. We are on the way there, and this view is beautiful. So I'm gonna take you along for a little while the view is gorgeous. So, Shabbat Shalom. We are spending our Shabbat in the rainforest. The children are loving it, obviously. Hi, G, you having fun? So it's beautiful up here. This rainforest is on top of a mountain, and we're going to like this city.
Salama, guys. As we are out here hiking, I have G here.
Hi.
We got the sticks.
Hi.
Yeah. Enjoying this weather, enjoying this nature. As you see, G's starting to enjoy it. At first I had to carry her, but now she's getting used to walking herself.
Mom.
So, all praises for that. I'm glad.
Mom.
But I can tell everybody's feeling it. I'm here in the back. I gotta stay in the back. Cause me, I just like to go. I like to go, especially if I'm walking and I know it's a distance. I like to walk fast, so I have to be behind everybody to keep to keep the pace going. So that's why I'm back here. Let's see. Oh, you see, stay up there. You tired, Jazz?
No.
Yeah. See, me and Jazz smart. We got our staves, our sticks. So, look at her. Our Dada, she's feeling it too. She's a slow one. She be like, oh my gosh, no. Oh. But all praises, we enjoying this weather, enjoying this nature. As you can hear, I don't know if you can hear that, that's the wind blowing up in the mountains. So let's get a quick comment from Mama.
I feel great. I love this trail. It's not super steep yet, so that's good. I'm hoping maybe it won't be that steep, but we're supposed to have a village tour to eat in the village, so I'm super excited. Yeah.
That's what you said?
Yeah, that's what we're doing.
Well, we better not pay for mine.
You don't pay for it. It's all inclusive. We already paid.
Watch out. Scoot over. Come this way. Everybody over here.
I caught that on a video. Mommy's so tired. Like the whole mountain. till the end. If I just pass this, I've conquered 2 mountains and 1 waterfall. Got this. Did it. Conquered 2 mountains. Let's go. Look at this.
So we made it to the top of the mountain and now we're about to head back down, right Gianna? It took 2 hours. Now let's see how long it takes to get down. Deal?
Deal.
Ready?
Go.
What, you about to run down? It's so gorgeous up here. Let's show them how gorgeous it is. On a boat now. Say hi.
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 And we're looking at the lake. Joe, It's so gorgeous. Yeah, there's fishes. You like the fish? And the cabins over there. Behind you, don't move too much though, chill out. Joe, come back over here. You're tipping. Jazz, don't do that either.